Let's see how to create a voiceover using Murf AI. First, we need to choose the voice to voiceover for us. Let's try to pick Natalie. Then, after that, we will add some scripts. We'll just copy and paste it from ChatGPT. Now, let's try some of the features in Murf AI. Let's try to change the tone of the voice from promo to inspirational so it will sound more serious. Next is the pitch feature. We can decrease and increase the pitch. In our case, let me decrease a little bit the pitch. Next is the speed feature. Well, I think we're good on the normal speed in our voiceover. So now let's add some pauses. Then the last one is changing the pronunciation. So, to change the pronunciation, let's double-click the word and click the pronunciation that we like. Now that the voiceover settings are already done, let's try to hear it. Click the top play button to generate the voice, then after that click the play button again.
Rest assured, ChatGPT respects your privacy. Your conversations are not stored, and your data remains confidential. Feel free to explore and ask anything you'd like. Enjoy your conversation with ChatGPT. If you need assistance or have any questions, type help for a quick guide. Happy chatting!